Hi, I'm Lyric. I'm an academic peer coach with the Academic Peer Coaching Program here at UTSA. Today I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about the semester calendar, or what we also like to call semester at a glance. Let's take a look. The semester calendar can be located on UTSA's TRC website, which is utsa.edu/TRCSS. From there, locate the Academic Success Coaching tab and select TRC Resources. Along with many other super helpful resources, you will find the Spring 2021 Semester Planner, or what we call Semester at a Glance, under Planning Calendars. There are two versions of the calendar, a printable PDF version and an editable Excel version. The Semester Planner lays out your entire semester so that you are able to plan out all important dates, assignments, and events, and view them at a glance. This calendar can be used for both academic dates and personal dates. It can even be used to track and implement rest days for calmer weeks. Let's take a look at how to create one in the editable version. To use the semester at a glance, begin with looking at each syllabus. Take note of all due dates for exams, papers, presentations, and class projects. Now, add each of these dates to your semester calendar. There are many ways you can organize your calendar. You could even color code by course or event type. Once you're done, it might look a little something like this. Now you're able to see which weeks are busier and can plan ahead. This is a basic academic-oriented calendar, but feel free to make your calendar unique to you. The semester calendar can be a great resource to help you stay organized and stay on track this semester. For more information about how to use the semester calendar or how to plan out your semester, you can contact the Academic Peer Coaching Program and get connected with an academic peer coach.